Hey guys, Dave here, and we're on location of this entire home transformation. We're going to take a look at this project. If you're interested in an entire home transformation, let me show you what we did to this home. Take a look at this home transformation. We are in the final stages of completing entire home. Now, this was a home that a young family purchased, and they handed us the keys for the transformation. Now, it didn't look like this. Let me show you what this home looked like when they purchased it. This family purchased this home. It was sitting for 2 years vacant. They hired us, they handed us the keys, they handed us a set of drawings, and we ended up transforming this home. Look at the outside of this. We took the existing home down to the foundation. We kept the existing floor beams, the existing floor sheathing. We added all new first floor walls, a whole second floor structure, floor beams, framing, roof, everything is brand new from the floor up. All right, so let's go inside. This is almost a 5,000 square foot home transformation. We handled the entire process from start to finish. Now, if you're interested in an entire home transformation, you can take a look at this project because we handled the entire process, the plans, the permits, dealing with the building department. Let's go inside. All right, so we are in the final stages. We just sheetrocked it. This is a 2-car garage we added onto the house. And as we make our way through, it's almost 5,000 square feet, 4 beds, 3 bathrooms. Right here is the mud room. We have a half bath in here. And you can see it opens up. Full 9-foot ceiling, lots of windows. You can see the transoms on top of the egress windows. And so this is the family room. This is the kitchen. We're gonna have almost 70 feet of cabinetry in here. We have a refrigerator, wall oven, another set of cabinetry there with the hood and the cooktop, all cabinetry along this wall. Let's take a look at this foyer. This family needed more space. They bought a fixer-upper that they wanted to transform. So remember, we're still in the building process, and this is the front door. It's protected and covered. You walk in to this foyer. Check out this 22-foot ceiling, open foyer, looking down. Double closets when you walk in, open staircase. We have the dining room, the living room, the family room in that direction. We're gonna have a wet bar over here and a mini fridge with a sink over there. And look at all the space here. Completely opens up. We have a gas fireplace, double slider with transoms. If you're planning on transforming your home or you want to buy a fixer-upper, this particular project gives you a really good idea of the process that we handle from start to finish for all of our customers. Even in here, as we walk through the kitchen, it opens up to a playroom for the kids, an additional second staircase leading upstairs to 4 beds and 3 bathrooms. Just 60 days ago, we were doing the framing on this particular home. It's passed all the inspections seamlessly. The plumbing, the electric, the HVAC, the fire, everything is passed. You get to the top floor here, you can see all the volume, all the space on this project, closets, bedrooms, lots of space. Look, all the way down the end of that hall is the end of the house. We have 2 bedrooms over here, 9'6" ceiling, lots of space, closets, another bedroom, and then in the middle of these bedrooms is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have a double sink there, toilet, tub inside there, linen closet, and if you make your way down the hall, again, you open up to the foyer, and then down this end of the hall, we have an ensuite down at the end. Nice office. Look at this beautiful office ceiling. Same thing, 9'6" box ceiling. Laundry, staircase leading downstairs, and then the master suite. Lots of space, lots of room, closets. Look at this walk-in closet, 12-foot by 9-foot walk-in closet, and then the master bathroom. We're gonna have a soak tub, double sink here, corner shower unit, and a toilet. So how can you get your project started? If you live in northern New Jersey and you're looking for a home transformation, or you're gonna purchase a fixer-upper that you wanna make your own, you can give us a call at 201-774-3733. We have special package pricing right now for 2024. You could also get pricing within 24 hours if you click on the link down below. So to get started, you could click on the link below, more information, or give us a call at 201-774-3733. I'm Dave Pangione, and thanks for watching.